Hello everyone, 大家好 Welcome to Chinese Routine. Today we will continue to talk about 能可以会. If you didn't watch the first episode, the link is in the description box. Let's get started. Now we come to 能可以 works as a reasonable permission. How it works. This part how it works. 能可以 represent the reasonable permission. 能 is used for questions and negative sentences in general. Pay attention please. 能 is used for questions or negative sentences in general. And 可以 is generally used for positive sentences. For example, 考试的时候不能看书. You cannot read books in examination. Here why 能? Because it's a negative sentence. Next one. 那儿可以抽烟. You can smoke there. Here we use 可以 because it's a positive sentence. Now we take a look. 能可以 works as an admission. How it works? For 能可以 represent admission. 能 is usually used in questions and negative sentences. 可以 is usually used in questions and positive sentences. Let's see some examples to make it clear. 今天晚上我能住同学家吗？今天晚上我能住同学家吗？ Can I live in my classmate's house tonight? It is used in questions. Answer, 不能, because before was 不. It's a negative phrase. 我可以进来吗？我可以进来吗？ May I come in? Here we use 可以. Answer, 可以. Yes, you may. Yes, you can. So there are similarities between these two words. Namely, both of them can be used in questions. But there are differences between them. 能 is used in negative sentences, but 可以 usually used in positive sentences. Pay attention please. 可以 is not used in negative sentences in general. For example, 喝酒以后不可以开车. You cannot drive after drinking. Why this sentence is wrong? Because there is a 不 in a sentence. And what can we say? We say 喝酒以后不能开车. 喝酒以后不能开车. 这个电脑你不可以带走. You cannot take this computer away. What can we say? We say 这个电脑你不能带走. 这个电脑你不能带走. It's the standard usage, but it's not so strict in spoken language, which means take it easy, don't afraid to say. Please take your time to feel the differences of the sentence. Now we take a look. 能会 works as a good at doing something. How it works. 5. 能会 represent someone is good at doing something. But 能 means a great number of. 会 means well done. For example, 你真能喝，已经喝了一箱红酒了。Wow, you have drunk a box of wine. A great number. 你真会喝，你真会喝。Wow, you know a lot. Like you can tell which year it produced and where does it come from. Drink well and attractively. The last, we see 会 as a possibility, how it works. Here. 6. 会 represent possibility. For example, 也许会下雨，把窗户关上. Maybe it will rain. Close the windows. Here 会 indicates possibility. 我不会再相信他了. I won't believe him anymore. Here 会 indicates that possibility I believe him is 0. Let's recap all 6 usages. 能可以会 first usage. 能 ability subjectively. 会 ability after learning. Using after learning. 2. 能可以 objective conditions. Objective conditions. 3. 能可以 reasonable permission, which is a little similar to usage 4, but the subjects are different and the situation are a little different. Okay, 4. 能可以 for admission. Then the similarity of 3 and 4 are 能 for always for negative sentence or question. Question. 可以 always for positive sentence or for question. Okay. 5. 能会 good at doing something. Then good at doing something, it can separate it into 2 situations. First, a great number. Second, well done. This is 5. Okay, last one, 6. 会 shows the possibility. Okay, if there is still something unclear, you can tell me by leaving comments and I will answer you. Thanks for your watching. If it is helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will see you next time. 再见。Represent 能可以 for 能可以 for 能可以 represent 能可以 represent is usually used in a question. Let's see some examples to make it clear.